Alright, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So, henceforth. 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 Therefore, something else. Henceforth, we should go there. I know what to do. Henceforth, listen to me. Listen to me. Definitely. I am in charge. Henceforth, I will be telling you what to do from now on. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? I know what to do. Henceforth, follow me. I am the teacher. Henceforth, only listen to me. To me. Very good. Henceforth, they went with me. Since then, they always went with me. Yeah, no one else. Because of what happened, they would only then go with me. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Somehow, henceforth, they knew what to do. Strange. Henceforth, I'm in charge. I am the tallest one here. Henceforth, I am in charge. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? They will have an idea, henceforth, what to do next. They know what to do, henceforth, listen to him. They know what to do, henceforth, listen to them. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, henceforth. Now, can you use henceforth in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.